First movement we'll make is take the opposite hand, place it on top of your partner's wrist, keeping that hand locked in place. Step back with your right foot. As you do so, extending out that grabbing arm, use your left hand, do an alternate blocking motion, which actually serves as a strike to the elbow joint. Once you're here, the same hand extend to a hammer fist to attack your face. Come back, grab hold to the wrist to keep your balance. Chain with the front leg up. Side kick to the knee. Some alternative option with this technique is the attacker is left side dominant and he might grab you on this side. We can still apply the same technique with some modification to it. Hup! We still come up and grab, but now instead of going here, I'll come here. I'll still step back on this side, extending out the technique. I still have the arm here, but instead of coming across for a strike, I'll come down, hammer fist strike, catch onto the wrist, and still apply the knee strike. First movement we'll take is sliding our left foot out to about 9 o'clock to create space. As you do so, take your right hand up. There's an in-to-out motion. This block, catch, grabs. From here, left hand extend a face strike. Once it's there, slide down and grab the shoulder with the same hand. We now have 2 points of contact, the wrist and the shoulder. Next, place your left foot in front of your attacker lead's leg. Be careful not to go too deep where the knee or thighs block. Rather stay shallow enough where only the ankle is touched by your Achilles. Once we're here, we have 3 points. 1, 2, and 3. We'll push with the right. Pardon me. We'll pull with the right. We'll push with the left. We'll kick up with the left to create a takedown. When he's down, stomping kick to the face. So some possible alternative for this attack or this technique may be that the attacker uses the other hand. So coming across and grab on this side. We'll still apply the same step out, but this time the block will not be the into-out motions because the angle is not there. This time we'll trap it. From here, we'll strike. Placement 1, 2. Place your lead leg in front of their lead leg, which happens to be now his left side. Same idea. I'm going to pull right, push left, and kick left to create a takedown, and stomping kick from there.